My husband and I own the Sugar Creek Laundromat in Bentonville, and monthly we host an event for the public to come in and be able to do their laundry.
Okay, it's your live.
I'm live?
Yeah.
Live?
Yeah.
So, hey guys, thanks for watching if you are.
Because I will tell you, and you don't have to use this, but I thought my husband was crazy for buying a laundromat 6 years ago.
Pretty awesome in here.
My husband was definitely the business side, but being a teacher and in education, I wanted to figure out how we could work in the things that I like to do, which was, working with kids and with reading. And so we reached out to the University of Arkansas and those students there that were in the education program, and they would come, and they still do once a month when we have when we have our monthly event. So they'll sit and read with them. And sometimes, if it doesn't happen every time, but we have like a science project, something like that they can be working on it at the same time too back there.
They had a lot of pennies in theirs. They got nickels and quarters in there too. Are you serious?
And as an educator here, I work with lots and lots of children, and just becoming into administration this year, I'm seeing a lot more than just my 25 that I've had in my class. And then my husband's a fireman, and so he sees a need in a different way when he goes into different situations with his work. And so I feel like we have been given a lot of things and a lot of blessings through our community and some opportunities. And so it just felt like the right thing for us to be able to turn and give back. And the staff here at Thomas Jefferson wanted to give back to some of our families that are in need this holiday season. So we're going to be offering free laundry. There's going to be dinner. Each child's going to get a book, and also we've done a toy drive here at school. So each child in the family is going to be able to take home a toy for Christmas. Educating definitely goes over just the, 8 to 3 lessons in the book. I mean, it's much more than that. We care, and we want you to be fed, and we want you to, have the feeling of what it's going to be like to open a present on Christmas morning that you may not have had otherwise. And I do feel like when you make a connection with a child and you build that relationship, they're going to work a whole lot harder for you.